Hello YouTube, Felix here, Salvage Style Approaches, and today I'm going to show you how to make some adjustments on your e-brake for your Mazda 3. Now I'm in neutral at the moment, but with my e-brake up, you can see the car rolls. The car can roll. So I'm just going to show you how to make that adjustment so it doesn't roll back. All the tools you need are a little something flat to pry with, a 10mm socket. I got an extension about yay big, and then my ratchet. It also doesn't hurt to have a choke on your front tire, so that way it doesn't go rolling, or whatever direction you plan on pushing it, to double check that your wheel isn't freely moving. So it's pretty simple just to do this. So as I'm sitting in the driver's side, I got my flat little pry bar, not pry bar, but little pry tool, and you can already see where I've gone in before. We just pop it up, and it just kind of popped up like that. And it's always good to get a visual on how you're prying. So it's in like this, it closes and it goes up. Not too complicated, but don't want to break it either. And then if you look, there's where we're going to make the adjustment. Right now my brake is up, so what I'm going to do is put it down. I am in neutral. If this is automatic, I'm not really sure if there's a difference, but here it is for manual. So for mine, I'm just going to turn it a couple turns each time. So I'm here, I'm going to do one rotation, one, and then two, and then pull this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then let's check, see, can I move it? Yeah, I could still move it. So that's basically all you do. Making sure that your wheel is choked there, so that way when you roll it, and now obviously you're on a flat surface, but when you push it yourself to see if it moves, if the brake holds, you want to make sure that it's not going to go rolling off the lot, you know? So here we go again. I'm going to go, bring this down again so we can reach that 10mm bolt down there. You kind of can't see it in the camera, but it's there. Lock in, and we'll do another rotation. 1, 2, and now we double check. Oh, yep, still got ways to go. So I'm pretty much just gonna repeat this. Oh, well, maybe let me pull the brake up. Now. Yeah, just needed a little bit of adjustment, so it's pretty much getting there for me. Do another one. So bring it down. Now this is, and if you'll notice when you put it up, you can't, it's made so you can't adjust it while it's tightened. Putting this down loosens it so you can tighten it, kind of like a guitar string or something. So I'm gonna do one more because it seems to be getting there. 1 and 2. Let's pull this up again. And yeah, it's getting there. And as you're doing this, you will feel this bolt get a lot tighter. I'm thinking I'm just going to do one more turn, and then that's going to be good. So and then I'm going to just do a little bit of a 2. And now let me check it, because I think we're starting to get there. So brake up, it's in neutral. And let's see. Yeah, still give it a couple more. Okay, I think I've made enough adjustments to where have it up, and let's see. There should be always a little bit of movement, but see, I can't just freely push this thing. So with that, I think we're good. Now pretty much the last thing to do is just put this back in. So I remember I pried it right here, so it just slips in. So Just slip and then press, and we're good. And there you have it. To make an adjustment on your e-brake for your Mazda, it's pretty simple, just right there. If you have an automatic transmission, I'm not 100% sure if it'll be different, but a good way to also test that it's nice and tight is to park on a slope and see if it skids back and if it catches it. Or it's also possible maybe your rear brakes need to be changed, but those are kind of easy to look at. So hopefully this helped for anyone who didn't know how to adjust your e-brake on it, or maybe you noticed that you were slipping on a hill. You kind of make an adjustment on it to make it tighter so it catches. And yeah, with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back for the next one. My name is Felix, and this is Salvage Title Approaches, and thank you for watching.